Hi, today we're talking about doctor appointment tracker. So if you're looking to track your appointments with a doctor on a Notion template, then this is the exact template that you'll need. So if you see the appointment section at the bottom, which has the database of all the appointments, we have kind of created the patient name, the doctor name, the department, the appointment date, the status, and the notes. So you can modify or change this database as per your requirement, but this is a simple database created for a use case. And if you scroll to the top, we have created a summarized view of all the appointments that have been created at the bottom. So first is the upcoming section where we have defined all the upcoming appointments that are scheduled in the future. So you can see all the upcoming appointments, and if you open up this filter, you can see the appointment date has been filtered as per today or maybe after today. Okay. Then we have got a completed section, so it shows all the completed appointments. Similarly, we have cancelled appointments, and then we have got appointments by different departments. Okay, so you can track as per different departments. Now you can use it from your purpose of any use case. You can change the department to any other section, and it will automatically show over here. And finally, we have a calendar view of all the appointments. So in this calendar, you can see the appointments with different doctors and the respective properties. So you can click on these three dots and you can enable more properties to see the exact property that you are looking to see for. So this template is customizable and you can make changes to this template as per your requirement. Feel free to play around with all the settings. I also want to talk about a new tool that is PDF Output. PDF Output is a tool that helps you generate PDF documents in bulk, but for this it requires a Google document as a source of template file. So this is where you will define the PDF file, and then it requires the use of a Google Sheet or a Notion database, which acts as the source of the database from where the Google document will replace the elements and it will generate the PDF documents. So I've added a video of how you can generate invoice documents in bulk at the bottom of this description. You can watch this video and understand how PDF output exactly works, and you can take help of PDF output to start generating documents for a use case. If you are in need of any help or any assistance, please reach out to me at notion for my use @gmail.com. That is where I'll be able to assist you on any of the queries that you might have. Thank you. Have a great day.